Bruh, this bird. You want me to close it again?
Quick, just pick it up. You gotta pick up all that order. You can't just.
Well, just have to sit down so we can
No, you gotta pick it up because you can't. Who's gonna? Aiden, I need an idea, please. Come on, guys. We are three smart individuals. We should know how to lure this bird out. Because this bird is dumb.
Quentin, come
Here,
record.
throw in the garbage here.
Quentin, come record. I'm gonna try to.
Like, come on. We're intelligent people here. This bird is dumb as hell. We should be able to get this bird out of this big window here. Oh, Lord.
You need to see. Oh my god, I don't know why. Can I open it?
Look down. Look down. Look down. Oh, shoot. Where is he? Oh, he's up top of the big still.
Get ready to push this light right here. See this button right here? Every time it goes on, push it off.